When watering my succulents, I don't have a problem using a watering can if I have top dressings on my succulents. But if I have bare soil with no dressing, I have to be really careful so they don't spill over. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. For this reason, I prefer using a spray bottle. The beauty of a spray bottle is that you can easily adjust the spray, whether it's a mist or a direct spurt like this one. But if I have a lot of plants to water, it can be really hard on your wrist. You can get RSI from it, or repetitive strain injury. After a minute, your hands will just get really tired and really sore. So I prefer to use my industrial sprayer. These two is made by the same company or the same people, this aqua system. So 5-liter pressure sprayer, and that one's the same aqua system 2-liter sprayer bottle. So they are really good value for money. So $10 and I think $6 or $5 or something like that, but it's cheap. And then this one you have to pump, and see the little hook, there's a sort of a hook on the side where you lock that in. So you can lift it and carry it like this, or so there's an adjustable strap to put it over your shoulder if you want some freehand watering. Hang on, we'll get the nozzle now. And it's adjustable as well. So you can have like a spray or a squirt, so like fine line, look. So it's very good for that. So I use this a lot, but the pressure doesn't last very long. You have to pump this every few seconds. Nice pressure, by the way. But of course it's dependent on how much pressure or often you pump it. Okay, now this one is my all-time favorite. This thing is 12 years old, and see, look, all the writing is already multi-purpose pressure sprayer for use with water-based chemicals. So it's mainly used for insecticide, weed killer, fungicide, fertilizer. So that's what it's used for. And this is what I use for just plain water, or also I add on some sea salt. And this thing is the same thing. It's got a strap, a worn out strap now, because I've used it a lot. And if there's too much pressure, you can release it with the valve here. But the beauty of this one, if you fill it up to the right level, say about to here, when you pump it to pressurize it, then it takes quite a while before you need to pump it again. So saves you a lot of time pumping the spray bottle or pressurizing it. So as this one, every few seconds you have to pressurize it again. And watering is just a breeze. See, I don't even have to hold it or press it down. You just have to angle it where you want it watered.